The section from element command allows you to quickly create a properly sized and oriented section view upon selecting an element in a plan or RCP view. This section will be created parallel to the element with a narrow view depth and height. The section command can be performed on any object found in the host or linked model. The section from element command is located within the Sheets and Views group in the main Accelerate ribbon. The first thing you want to know is that it's broken up into two parts, the command itself and its settings. Its settings are in the drop down of the group. And select from two settings. One is the default view type for sections created. Here you can select which default view type to use from all of the section view types in your project. And then you can check on or off if you would like it to be a 1 command click or a 2 command click. Having this checked on would make it a 2 command click, in which first you select your element and then select which side of the element to create the section on. Unchecking this will make it a 1 command click. You will only need to select the element and it will automatically pick a side to create the section on. We'll leave this checked on for now. Then I can use the command or create a keyboard shortcut for the command to make it even easier to run. Simply select the command and then go to your view and select an element. And then because we have the check on for selecting which side, we can then pick which side on the second click to create a parallel section to that element. I'll show you once more. We select the command, select the element, pick the side, and it creates a section parallel to that element with a narrow view depth. If we were to uncheck prompt for side placement, we then run the command, select an element, and it will just automatically pick a side like so. And that is the section from element command.